Hello everyone, this is Group 21 and we are presenting a research topic that is awareness of PCOS among females residing in different areas of India. Now, what is PCOS? PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome and this is the most common endocrine disorder in women of reproductive age. The syndrome is named after the cyst formed in the ovaries. In PCOS, the ovary enlarges and people with PCOS may experience irregular menstrual periods, heavy periods, difficulty in getting pregnant, pelvic pain, and patches of thick, darker, velvety skin. Also, PCOS is a leading cause of infertility in women. It affects 1 in 10 women of childbearing age, and PCOS can predispose women to cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, and also to certain cancers. Some studies have shown women with PCOS to be at 3 times higher risk for endometrial cancer, 2 times higher risk for ovarian cancer, and 2 to 4 times higher risk for breast cancer. Next. Now, PCOS not only affects physical health, but also shows symptoms of anxiety and depression. Some studies show that the suicide attempts are up to 7 times more common in women with PCOS other than other women. Preteens and teens can also develop PCOS, and early diagnosis can give them opportunity to better manage the emotional, internal, and physical effects of PCOS. Now, why did we choose PCOS? Because PCOS is quite common nowadays, but still a large population is unaware of it, and also 50% of women living with PCOS are going undiagnosed. So the idea behind choosing this topic is that we want to make aware people about PCOS and its symptoms and how prevalent it is. Also, we would get an idea how many females in India are unaware of it and how many measures do we need to take to spread more and more awareness. Next. So a research question or research problem is there awareness among females residing in different areas of India? Our general objective says to determine whether females from different regions of India are aware about the condition PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome. Our specific objectives are, first, to determine approximate percentage of females from urban areas in India who are aware about PCOS. Second, to determine the approximate percentage of females from rural areas in India who are aware about PCOS. And third, to compare awareness between females in urban and rural areas. Next. For hypothesis, we have alternative hypothesis that says females of different areas of India are aware about PCOS, and null hypothesis, that is females of different areas of India are not aware about PCOS. Next.
Now the significance of study. Now, why is the study significant? The study helps us to find an approximate estimate as to how much of female population is aware of PCOS. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is one of the disorders of endocrine system, usually faced by women after puberty of all races and ethnicity. Yet, over half of 10 million people that have it are unaware of it. Therefore, awareness helps the public understand that symptoms like irregular periods and pelvic pain are not something to be ignored, and getting it checked is necessary. The literature review. The title of our very first literature is Awareness of PCOS, that is Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome in Adolescent and Young Girls, by Jayashi J. Upadhyay and Chaitanya A. Shimkar. This was done on June 2017 and is published in International Journal of Reproduction, Contraception, Obstetrics and Gynecology. The study states that awareness and accurate diagnosis is the very first step in managing PCOS, as it helps in improving the quality of life of patient. The study was conducted to assess the knowledge on PCOS among medical students. The methods used was survey. The survey was done of 200 girls to assess the knowledge on polycystic ovarian syndrome among medical students of different colleges studying in first, second, and third year. The data was collected from students by using structured questionnaire. The results of the study was as follows. 51% girls had normal BMI, 19.5% were overweight, 16.5% were obese, while 13% were underweight. 33.5% females had acne, 16% had irregularity of menses, 5% had hirsutism, while 2% had infertility. In the study, 33% adolescent and young girls had information about PCOS from teacher. 19% got information from friend, 11.5% got information from a doctor, 3.5% got information from newspaper, while 5% got information from internet. 28% adolescent and young girls were unaware of PCOS. This study concluded that thorough knowledge of disorder and counseling for adolescents should be included in the curriculum, which will provide awareness towards the disorder and lifestyle modification. A second literature is Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome Awareness Among Young Women of Central India by Jaya Patel and Shailesh Rai on October 2018. This is published in International Journal of Reproduction, Contraception, Obstetrics and Gynecology. The objective of the study was to assess the knowledge about PCOS in young women. The methods used was cross-sectional study, which was performed on 400 women of age group 18 to 30 years, either studying in college or working in indoor city. Written informed consent was obtained and simple random technique was applied for selection. Pre-designed, pre-tested semi-structured questionnaire was used for data collection. The data collected were analyzed through percentages and frequencies using Excel. Relevant statistical test was applied. P-value was calculated wherever required. The results of the study was among 400 participants, only 41% of women were aware of the term PCOS. 46% of the subjects were aware about the organ system involved in this disease. Most of the people knew about this disorder through their friends and relatives. 49% of women knew about various signs and symptoms associated with PCOS. This study concluded that very few of the young women understand what this disease is and what are the earliest symptoms that should allow them to consult a physician.
Methods. Research design. This is a quantitative study where we, the researchers, are seeking to understand the females of India, whether they're aware of PCOS or not. This research will be done among females of India aged between 13 to 65, residing in rural and urban areas. Subjects. The sample size is the population of all females in India in the given age group. Sample, obviously being the females of different areas of India. This is a random non-probability sampling type of study. The age group is between 13 to 65 years. Data collection methods. The instrument that will be used in this study is the survey questionnaire. For our study, we took this survey questionnaire used in a Saudi Arabia survey that was done in 2018. The links are in description below. After asking the name, the age, and the place of residence of the respondent, we'll ask the obvious questions such as, have you ever heard about PCOS? What are the polycystic ovary syndrome referred to, etc. Data processing and analysis. This is how we will measure our study. The level of awareness toward PCOS will be assessed using a scoring system. A score of 1 will be given to correct responses and 0 to incorrect or do not know responses. Participants will be categorized into 2 categories. Scores equal or less than 7 out of 14 will be considered as poor awareness, where scores greater than 7 will be considered as good awareness. So this is our dummy table. This is how we will be tabulating our data after collecting the surveys. Our variables are age and residence. The age is divided into following 4 categories: and residents in urban and rural. We will count the total number of respondents, which is our sample size. Then we'll count the total number of respondents who are aware. Also, total number of respondents who are unaware and percentage awareness. Hypothetical interpretation of the results. The females from the age category 18 to 39 residing in urban areas are more aware of PCOS. This study hasn't been conducted yet, but we expect that females who have completed their adolescence are more likely to be aware about female health in general, including PCOS. Younger women are more likely to have latest knowledge about female health, so we expect the ages to be more aware to be in between 18 and 39. Some studies have shown that PCOS is more common in urban areas than rural areas because of the lifestyle factors and also obesity. Also, females in the rural area are less likely to be educated and they are less likely to access the social media from which we can gain awareness about PCOS. Hence, urban area women are more likely to be aware about PCOS. Operational definitions. PCOS, a hormonal disorder causing enlarged ovaries with small cysts on the outer edges. awareness, number of people knowing about PCOS.